How to get Microsoft 365 for free. This tutorial shows you the actual legitimate ways, since the full subscription itself isn't free, but Word, Excel, and PowerPoint Online are. First, open your browser on your computer. From there, go to office.com. After that, click Sign In. At this point, if you don't already have a Microsoft account, click Create One instead. Following this, sign in using an email, whether it's Outlook, Hotmail, or even a Gmail address linked to a Microsoft account. From here, once signed in, you'll see Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Outlook available directly in your browser sidebar. This gives you full access to core features with no time limit and no credit card required, though it does require an internet connection since it's browser-based rather than installed on your computer. At this stage, if you're a student or educator with a school email address, there's a second option worth checking too. Following this, search for Microsoft 365 Education. From here, enter your school email to check if your institution qualifies for free access. At this stage, if eligible, you'll get access to the full suite through that education plan at no cost. Keep in mind, there's no legitimate way to get the full paid desktop subscription for free permanently, so be cautious of anything online promising a free lifetime key or activation tool for the full version, since those typically involve pirated software that can compromise your account or files. That's how you get Microsoft 365 for free. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!